some new shit. Beefing with my bitch right now, but life still lit. Riding down the strip, $500,000 whip. 5 M's for the kid for ice like this. Everything I want to hit, I scratched them off the list. Ask about me, word around the town, I'm a pimp. Ho won't get my heart, I'm putting you down, I'm not a simp. Big OG, I'm him. Park the back the lamb and then go GLE, I'm trip. Catch a nigga and blam, Dredge gang, we ain't nothing like them. Only nigga you know that rap come through the rack, no tent. Hustler got them racks back, man, my pockets were stacked with lit. All blue hunters look like flapjacks, now it's a duffel in my knapsack. I don't back, go check my track record, niggas shot at us, we clap back. At 18, I was a 7-figure nigga after tax. I spent the ticket on both the bitches I wiped and that was facts. On Twitter, don't believe the hype, I put my life on wax. I made it back in, blew that shit the same night as sex. I wake up and go get that cake, I ain't the type, relax. Me, Dank Rail, split a lick 3 ways to get a brick of crack. The Glock hit what's her name like a freight train, his brains was on the track. Don't play no games, mention my name, we caught him the same day on Max. Better not listen to what them fans saying on them damn apps. I ain't snitching on my mans, nigga, fuck a fair tap. Soon as we hop out that van, that's a fucking head tap. And I'm GDK, EBK, MBG, and LMB craze. Give me a switch to get like NCAA, nigga, I blitz. Niggas bitches, I don't appreciate it, but he switch act like he crazy. Sit the hit, I'm mad cause he made me, I was getting high at the rent. 10K for the fit, I'm too wavy. 29, I'm rich with 3 babies. Pinky ring, the wrist cost 380, really made it, I'm the shit. Investigations, yes, I evaded. Mouth shut, you know how we played it. Now I'm MIA, might be Vegas. Thank God I went legit, swerve. Swerve. Thank God I went legit, swerve. Thank God I went legit, swerve.
Same shit, fuck the rap game, I swear I still ain't changed shit. The ops still getting hit, ayy, fuck you pussy nigga. I still ain't sparing shit, online he doing that raw, that's why his man got hit. 50 on this plain Jane, buying time trying to see if I can free Brody out the chain gang. Catch line, watch me switch lanes. Brody in the cash, I stay at 2.3 in the safe. Fuck it, ain't nobody safe. 2 or 3 bodies on the same cake. And nigga tried the shit, got hit up in his face. Different nigga, different time, but died the same way. Nigga, fuck going legit. After that drill, I burnt the fit. Bitch ain't proud, the bitch is fit. Had a dream on cutting bricks. Hold on, brother, start the car. I thought the shooting 762. After the drill, we checked the news. Before they knew, I knew he was through. $500,000 in jury. Another $500,000 on his case. I pray my nigga beat the jury. Ain't copping no plea between words. Every gun toss, every witness vanished. Not my man's off. I cannot chance. Niggas die running through the bricks. He heard the bullets and trip. Empty the whole clip. Headshot an extra tip. Don't put me in the lane. There's nothing rap. These niggas ain't none like me. These niggas be beating these hoes, pretending fuck. Then come back up to my they pee. Bro got a gun and shooting so fast. He got a whole button on the back of his G. Bro got kills in 2 for 3. Before he died, he knew it was me. Nigga, fuck going legit. I'm still on the same shit. I still ain't changed shit. I still clutch on the same stick. Nigga, fuck going legit. Jake died in the same car. I turned around and bought the same shit. Nigga, fuck that I got shot. Nigga, that got us got. Nigga, fuck your birthday. A nigga died from this chalk. Nigga died the same day he came in. I got no chill, bitch, I'm on 10. Nigga, 3 died, then 10 more. Then 5 more, then 2 more. Then bro died, then 6 go. Nigga swing on me, then lost his arm for playing me for a hoe. He loving this bitch, this whole bop. Man, I fuck her for his low. Nigga, fuck going legit. Fuck it. Nigga, fuck going legit. Fuck it. Nigga, fuck going legit. Nigga, fuck the industry. Nigga, fuck going legit. Nigga, fuck the streets. Okay, fuck going legit. Nigga, fuck the industry. Fuck going legit. Nigga, fuck the industry. Bitch, I'm in the streets. Nigga, fuck going legit. Nigga, play and he get hit. Nigga, fuck going legit. Ace. Okay.
Oh, this what we doing? You already know how I'm bumming, man. Gangsta. Man, every day some new shit. Gotta keep the grip still, even though I'm rich. I'll trust a snake before I ever trust a bitch. A snake gon' be a snake, but that bitch will probably switch. And ever since that's been a myth. Yeah, I broke hearts cause I got a cold heart in this brick. I got old scars, but I'm stuffing this gold yard with an M. I don't write bars, I write art. I'm Picasso with the pen. Four demons got to know God, now I'm healed and I'm content. One thing I'll never do is put a hand out. I'll never need a handout. Re-up before I ran out. Had a dream, making plans now. When I make plans, it plans out. Get paid to bring fans out just by running my damn mouth. Just by spitting that real shit. Now I'm on Twitch with the cam out. And I'm never hopping on trends. They can go sit while I stand out. In the back of that big shit with that big shit, got the can out. Niggas ain't tough, they fanned out. Get fanned down, now it's fanned down. Just by being a damn clown, got his ass sent to the damn clouds. My guys always got it clutch. So when you man up, then it's man down. You don't think money grow on trees the way I'm throwing these bands down. Money never ever been an issue. I would get it then and I get it now. Back then I was stressed shit, now I'm at peace, I ain't tripping now. Keeping my distance now. I was existing till I learned life, now I'm living now. I'm big grown, so that shit I used to be on, I ain't with it now. I'm really legit now. And I took another year off, I know I'm pissing my fans off. Writer's block cause my mind cluttered, smoke a blaze just to clear it off. And yeah, I got love for this shit, but my hunger and it wearing off. Went from caring to care little to fuck it, I don't care at all. And I only fear God, other than him, I don't fear at all. The shit that I went through just to be alive is a miracle. I progressed a lot of success, but I'm nowhere near my pinnacle. I've been her, I've been him, thank God I went legit. Amen.
Dick so much it made a nigga sick. Self-inflicted pain I could prevent. I was trying to paint something with a switch. I'm meals and famous, then a bitch. Get deep in my brain and reminisce. I remember when danger didn't exist. Like I ain't had to tote that Glock till I start hanging in the mix. I was just a product of my block, so I start banging in the trench. We was all 4 deep in a hot, just out there swinging with no tech. Risk our lives, just kill our ops. I'm like, don't none of this shit make sense. Just trying to find myself and tell my spit. They was wondering where I went. I'm just a stock, came from the bench. Tell the haters get off my dick. Found my shot myself, I ain't call no pick, call ISO on the Vic. How I got my wealth with no assist, roll life goes with intent. 19 had an AR on my shelf, metal on my waist, Glock under my belt. That was just a reaction, pain I felt. I just played the cards dealt. I couldn't even give my team the proper help, too worried about myself. I kept popping pills, feel voices fucking up my health. Fuck the system and fuck the law. Ain't right, your spirit can't fuck with y'all. Like fuck the label too, they was pissing me off. Always been my own boss. Can't let an IG comment send me off, get locked up, then I lost. And if a nigga right now we get caught, they still gon' say it's my fault. I was just treating them beats like therapy, explaining my mental illness. This all the kids wanna be like me. What's gangsters getting some millions? Going from street nigga to civilian. Instilling greatness in my children. Now I can't break the shit that I'm building. I know I'm capable when I'm wailing. Bite my flow, that's plagiarism, but they can't replicate my realness. Dunking snakes in a reptilian. Get out my face when I'm in my feelings. You can tell how I move, I'm militant. Pressure boosts my adrenaline. I try to keep the peace, but don't push me, cause I will shoot, start killing shit. Back then, had a stick in a 380. I've been sitting back, get my peace lately. Cause I couldn't be a grown ass man still out here claiming I let the streets raise. Them little niggas different, the streets change. Through murders attempts, now he crazy. In the field playing hardball, these shorties would've killed some shit for G, babe. I ain't know what wrong meant. For dollars, all these hoes win. They free the gas up out that jam, put on for the block his whole stick. If you take your shot, then don't miss. Against the odds, still show strength. Can't fold or flint. If I ain't see my inner God, I wouldn't be shit. Try. We used to yell gang shit, but through research I learned, man, we just tribal people, man. This shit not blood, this shit not culture, this shit not nature. Bro, tribe. Every day some new shit. Right now I'm saying this again.
Yeah. Ha. Every day some new shit. I ain't even got no bitch right now, I'm single as it get. What I look like, put my trust up in the bitch that's gon' get hit. I ain't pulling up to the house without that fire, I'm in the mix. Ain't no way I'm gon' let no hoe catch me thinking with my dick. Who ain't did no hits? Say, boy, you crazy, bitch, I'm crip. 13 in that put down, boy, I'm really one of them. I'm not one of these acting ass, not one of these capping ass, not one of these faggot ass rappers I get you killed. We ain't with that friendship, boy, right now we sinking ships. Lil' bro got caught in the store, we was trying to get some chips. Every time we see our off, they pack they shit like it's time to dip. But we put right on side, they whip. And we forever screaming, clack, clack, and you know we get that get back. And that nigga on this shit bag, we gon' make him taste the shit. Mini Draco in my backpack, about to ride out like a Six Flag. What the fuck I look like paying for when I really do a hit? I was 15 slime sticks, I ain't never went legit. I lost C-Rock in my face, certain pain you can't forget. Niggas shot at me and missed. Remember this shit like yesterday, C-Rock yelling I'm hit. Sign out with me 5-6 blocks, it ain't no call it quits. These niggas so broke, I swear they can't afford to diss. Lost 2 of my brothers, I get depressed on May the 10th. Thumping Simmy, you know I thump Simmy when I'm pissed. Yeah, in school they gave me 180, I was in that bitch so great, crazy from the south, but I'm a baby, not 60 on my wrist. My these niggas, they so two-faced, I gotta watch them cause they fool guys. The same niggas said I wouldn't make it, got their hand out, won't get shit. I was outside hitting licks, who would've known I go legit? Fucking hoes outside the country, remember times I beat my dick. Caught a robbery charge at 14, hit that room and didn't say shit. Been that way since I was legit, who would've known I'd be legit?
Inside the kitchen, we gon' trap till we get rich. Fans came, ain't do no snitching. Everybody them took they lick. Been crying that night, that pause died, ain't shit been the same since. My little sisters call me they father, took them in like they all my jit. Pray to God that I go legit. Till then, nigga ain't no vacay. I touch down inside my city with 2 FNs and a brand new AK. We get money and fuck bitch. Flick it up for my dog on J, paid me and rich like Craig and Day. They know I got him whenever it's a Mayday. And nah, still looking for AJ, Sony off and distribution. Phone ringing, you know it's a payday. Powerhouse just called from Houston. Strippin' bitch with a big old booty. I call Lil' Bruh them JT the way he ride with a Lil Uzi. Ain't got a 10, bruh, know he'll shoot it. Cut a barrel same size as Scooter. Ain't gotta pay him to clap medulla. All the love he'll do it for free. All the strength, nigga, long live Puma, long live Dre, long live Mo, long live Bird, RP Fred. Who the fuck said trapping dead? Cut off that stove, nigga, if you scared. I pray to God that I go legit. First time getting paper, lost it all, shit had me sick. Trapper who turn rapper, I beat the block to make it hit. Still stuck in my ways, can't leave the house without my stick. Bears blood over these diamonds, a bitch gon' die touching my shit. Yeah, you heard me? I pray to God that I go legit.
In the cut, it's the scary sight.
Hey, come on, man. Street shit. Fuck a nigga, man. Through the roof records, man. Straight up. Free RJ. Free shoe. Free slip, man. Hey, shit. Yeah. For real. Reloaded, fuck nigga. Hey. Shit, I re-up on this I fuck around and go legit. I seen niggas run it up, then lose it all behind a bitch. DJ and Pat sold me a 8 of Trish, that shit was counterfeit. And I ain't ran into him since. Put it on my mama niggas grits. I played the block, you played the bench. All I need is some cane, baking soda, and a whisk. Shout out to my wrist. I was at the Gilly Fest in Philly, smoking shot off in that bitch. First time I ever caught the brute. I swear I gave that bitch a kiss. Okay, I'm 2 real niggas fugazing. I'm self-paid, but the streets made me. And the shit that I've been whipping up lately really snapping like a pit. I'm cashing out, nigga, I don't do payments. Like I'm surfing, nigga, I'm 2-way. I got 1 BM and 2 babies, and she know that I'm the shit. Lil' Nick saving, I call it blitz. Section 8 nigga with baby, everybody at grandma crib. There wasn't no saving around that bitch. Yeah, I've been working like a bitch, but I pick up another shift. And they ain't teach me how to swim, but I can water whip a zip. I hit that road and double bite and go and take another trip. I take a Z, a Supermanitol, and make another zip. I was taught to beat it on the stove, but I can microwave that shit. Niggas going down in the kitchen. I done broke the blender in this bitch. I seen a shooting star at 6, hit my knees and made a wish. I told him if he really love me, he'll bless me with some nigga acting like I changed. I'm still sticking to the script. I can rap that dope shit in the booth, or I can rap it like a gift. Nigga, I'm going more harder than I ever did, more money than last year. Trap nigga, phone jumping, got more buddies than last year. When I splash some water on that shit, I can see it crystal clear. And we ain't just talking about the motion, we letting them see it over here. Come on, man.
In the cut. It's a scary sight.
Yeah. Swear to God, I went legit. Swear to y'all, I went legit. Locked in them cages, I counted them days. Baby mama stressing, throwing dirt all on my name. Trying to juggle 3 hustles, 2 jobs, no sleep. Trap phone buzzing, but my soul felt weak. Had to risk it all, stomach growling by the week. Stood on business, never flinched, never been sweet. Had to dance with the devil, but I ain't tripped. Just me, my ambition, and a full clip. Friends folded iron, buzz 10 toes to the concrete. Antarctica hard, I was born in the deep freeze. Never follow trends, I was the wave. Lied, cheated, true hands, yeah I misbehaved. Karma paid me visits like the fucking rent due. Did robberies for groceries that pain ain't ever knew. Flip Peruvian fish scale by the fucking ounces. My essence swallow weight, risking all they fucking organs. Locked in the boot. Tell them Mike paid bills, ignored by the world, but I knew I had skills. Dick riders, watch my every move full of envy, but they don't wanna grow, they're just trying to be trendy. Most beasts come from that, no vision, no grind. So I cut ties solid, iron grip tight at night. Call me Moses, I done parked my path with pain. Stamp my passport with blood, scars, and rain. I do this for my seeds, for my loved ones lost. When we starve together, I learned the real cost. Ain't no love way from just fake smiles. Friendly island turned savage in a half mile. They shoot first, no questions, no chance. Many men want me gone just to flex for their fans. But while I breathe, my legacy stays engraved. I made mistakes, won't lie, won't be saved. Revenge still lingers, shit bitter like ash. My kids the reason we ain't turned Jamal into a pack. It's either get ate, I sharpen my plate. My hunger grows yearly while these niggas underweight. I swear to y'all, I went legit, no cap, but I came back from the darkness, I never gon' forget that.
Yeah, every day is some new shit. Fuck, I look like beefing by the bitch, my life too lit. Leaving out the crib, almost forgot my Glock 4/5. Let me auto start my whip. Who that is inside that brand new GLE, that's him. Catch a nigga and blam, Glock boys, we ain't nothing like them. Only niggas that rap and still come bounce out with that switch. Hustling, got my racks right, but my pockets are stuff for lit. All blue hunters look like flapjacks, you touch them, I pop your shit. Check our track record, niggas shot at us, you know we shot back. At 18, I was in and out the trap, you know that's facts. I spent the ticket on every bitch I wife, you know that's facts. You don't wanna play with us, then see us out, you'll lose your life like that. There's so many guns inside the trap right now, it got me nervous. My nigga said if he wasn't out here trapping, he'd be purging. If I wasn't rapping, I'd be scamming shit and serving. Play with us and lose your life, you tell me if that sound worth it. Running through bows, I used to steal fiends, they crack. Switch it, what's his name, like a freight train and left his brains on the track. We just chill inside the hood till we get a drop, we don't even relax. Better not listen with these fans saying on these damn apps. Soon as we hop out that van, it be another another head tap. This I pack don't taste like shit, I might just mix it with the wax. Make a bankroll and spend that shit the same night at sack. You know them bankrolls come with some fake hoes, but shit that's that. Money in my jeans, I can barely fold it, I just made it. Back in the day, if you had a strap, ain't wanna hold it, we just take it. Niggas in my hood can't believe I'm rapping and they pay me. You can work forever, then get rich in 1 month, life amazing. Investigations I had evading. Baby K, how we play. Now it's MIA, might be Vegas, thank God I went legit. Now it's MIA, might be Vegas, thank God I went legit.
Baby, can't you hear my call?
Me a the man, not the place, me a the man. In my place, me a the man. Rich I never scam. I'm bad, na 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 na. In the place, me a the man. Rich I never scam, and me can swear on for my life and that's spliff in a man. Some more than never fuck a fan, you must be mad. And no ugly girl can say she suck my John. When me touching on the road, bag a pretty girl tag along, no bag a man. A catty say she want to make my boss. I never sang, fuck them girl, I never prank. Sometime I pray to God, say all my girl them get along, but that not possible, my fam. Me say no test me please, not travel with no empty piece. Best believe, full the clip and empty deal. Touch the tool and press the beast and left some fool a road. Me tell them me can't roll unless me know that tool a load. The matic must be freaky cause I hit that take your soul. Me tell them run up if them brave, me tell them run up if you bold. In a face me left a hole. Shouldn't listen to your friend them when them say me never cool. Me have a couple dopey before me reach 24. Fuck up a game, I check me at me nana. It's space for me, go meds bait. Believe I just feel, and the end full of gun, no feel, I just care. Killers want money, you can't keep your damn fame. But money is a thing where make people move strange. Rich your fuck and me nah have no need for loose chain. No couple done gal who know for use brain. All I make you back chat, you like chat. If a pretty girl say oh fuck, you know I fax that. Checking on my Snapchat, you probably see a cat tip on a back shot. Cock up on a whatnot. I tell me say for busting her belly, she will go doctor. Tell me say her boyfriend is a nerd, him not do action. And she want for fling it on a top man. Hot without a hot song, still I go the bank fam. Money transaction, move pay I'm up for rubber, lick them on the bam bam. Bye. Just let her my house.
We still walk on our block, nigga. 7 block shit.
Ale, you made this?
Racks. Hey, shout out Swerve, my cuz, he killed this shit. Gang. Hey, let me talk my shit, but it's too much that I can't say. OG was behind on rent, my granny came and saved the day. I used to wake up on Sundays thirsty for church, knew after we'd eat. I'm the same nigga that starve while I watch my brothers eat. I know God gon' bless me every day, but I still walk with heat. I know all my soldiers looking down on Canard proud of me. The tape on the way, I know y'all waiting for a shark's diary. Rapping like I'm hungry on this bitch, but I really am. Made some racks in just 10 minutes, put it on truck, I'm really him. My life moving fast like a Mozzie, but I ain't got no stem. I was broke, I had to make a way, ain't ask nobody for help. We was youngins, ready to switch the heat and watch his dumb ass melt. I been laid back up in this shit, but I still laid a belt. I was the one going through this shit back then when I ain't had no help. Still ain't got no help, but I'm the man, I was the man then. I pray God forgive me for everything that I did back then. Now a nigga out here booking shows, getting back ends. I'm due for a win, don't make me mad, cause then I'm quick to sin. Turn on that G Herbo high speed, cause here we go again. I got out the streets, focus on sports, tried to go legit, but that shit ain't work, back to the basic. Gotta work my stick, they switch up the airflow in the room, have to turn off the vent. I just need some peace inside my head, lately been feeling sick. OG telling me cherish my life, cause you ain't live for shit. 1007 to Dirty P, I'm from the hundreds, bitch. And this shit stamped the rack, I turn the motherfucker cold. I done seen some shit, been through some shit, but only gotta know. My people locked down up in that system, I say free the bros. I went up 100 on the 7 with the same foes. Spin on the op, then hit the block, I had to change clothes. I was thugging in this shit on P-Block with the same pole. On P-Block with the same pole. Racks, nigga. Dead nigga. Oh, fuck up.